Welcome back. E-auctioning of extracted iron ore from the state will be done on the lines of Karnataka. Supreme Court appointed Mining E-auction Monitoring Committee started its work from Saturday. Committee met on Saturday at Secretariat. Committee will visit MPT and Savarde Jetty to verify the stock on Sunday.
Supreme Court appointed 3-member E-auctioning monitoring committee held meeting on Saturday at Secretariat. Committee member Karnataka's Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Dr. U.V. Singh, former member of Central Board of Direct Taxes, Sheikh Naimuddin, and Principal Secretary Parimal Rai were present for the meeting. Goa Mines Director Prasanna Acharya and other mines officials were present. Sources say that committee has decided that e-auctioning of extracted ore will be done on the lines of Karnataka. Committee doesn't want to leave any loophole in this e-auctioning process. Stock verification done by the state government shows 15.5 million tons of extracted ores lying in the state. Committee expressed that more 5 million ton extracted additional ore can be found. Committee will visit MPT and Savarde Jetty to verify the stock on Sunday. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Goans for Daboli only have demanded that the land at Mopa should be reverted back to the local residents of Mopa. Opposing the second airport in the state, they said Daboli Airport can handle Goa's needs in future. Goans for Daboli only have requested the politicians to rise above petty differences and get the land from neighbor authorities for Daboli only.
We demand that the land acquired be returned to the people, and we will not just sit quiet till these poor people get their land back.
Daboli is more central. It may not be totally central, it's much more central than Mopa will be. And Daboli is not going to continue if Mopa comes. This we know even from letters which came earlier, but later on, they started toning it down, saying that Daboli will also continue. And the third is, why take land from poor farmers at Mopa when it is not required?
Leader of State Youth Congress, Xavier Fialo, was booked for assaulting one Rajesh Saval on 4th December at Ella, Old Goa. Old Goa police registered non-cognizable offence against Xavier Fialo. Rajesh Saval claimed that Xavier intruded into his shop and started assaulting him. Prudent has access to a CCTV footage of the incident.
एक को-ओनर जो एक्स्ट्रा भायर उरिल्लो जेचे हांवें शेअर घेवंक नाशिल्लो तो ताणें एकट्याक झेवियर फियालो हाका जनरल पावर ऑफ एटर्नी दिली. सो कोर्ट मॅटर जालो आनी कोर्टान आज आमकां हियरींग आशिल्लें 2:30 PM. सो हें आसतना सकाळीं तो आयलो आनी ताणें फोटो मारपाक लागलो, क्लिप्स फोटो मारपाक लागलो. तो आनी ताजो डॅडी आयलो, सांतान पियेलो आनी झेवियर पियेलो आनी फोटो मारपाक लागलो. हांव ताजे कडेन गेलो आनी हांवें ताका सांगलें की तूं फोटो मारूं नाका कित्याक कोर्टान आमची मॅटर आसा आनी कोर्टान स्टे दिल्लेली आसा. सो यू कॅनॉट एंटर द प्रिमायसीस. तुवें कितें तें लिगल पेपर्स हाडून मागीर तूं फोटो मार. तर म्हणपाक लागला तूं आपल्याक कोण सांगतालो आनी सरळ म्हाका मारपाक लागलो. ताणें म्हाज्यो 2 मुठी मारल्यो, बापायन ताज्यो खटी मारल्यो आनी दादागिरी करपाक लागलो आनी म्हणपाक लागलो आपल्याक तूं वळखता, आपूण हांगासलो पंच मेंबर प्लस आपूण यूथ काँग्रेसचो वायस प्रेजिडेंट, तूं म्हाका जाणा बरो, तुका खंय मेळटा थंय जितोच मारतलो आनी तुका तुज्या बाबाक पुरतलो आपूण.
Rajesh Saval says that when he approached Old Goa police to register his complaint, police were reluctant.
हांव पुलिशेन गेल्लो, हांवें FIR दिली. FIR सोड, हांव पुलिशेन गेलो, हांवें FIR दिली तांकां, पूण तेजेर अजून कांय हें जावंक ना, एक्शन जावंक ना.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
NCP has strongly opposed Goa government's decision of appointing OST to monitor Comunidad functioning. NCP leaders said government intends to come with the ordinance to saffronize the independent body of Comunidades. NCP handed over a memorandum to the governor of Goa, B.V. Vanchu, on Saturday. NCP leaders have requested the governor not to give his assent to the ordinance.
Administrator जी आसा ते गव्हर्मेंटाचेच लोक आसा आनी मॅनेजिंग कमिटी खंयच्याच कम्युनिटीचे जरी तो कितें पास करीत एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर पास केल्या शिवाय ते जायना. सो आनियोग जी तो OST घालताय विथ इक्वल पावर्स तो फकत करप्शन चॅनलायज करूंक शकता. बरे भाशेन ते करूं सोदता तो आमी सांगला तो ऑर्डिनन्स ड्राफ्ट करून आगास येवपाचो गव्हर्नरान गव्हर्नरा कडेन आमी उपकार मागला तो ऑर्डिनन्स तूं पास करूं नाका लेजिस्लेचराक येवन तो डिस्कशनाक आमी गव्हर्नरा कडेन मागला की मुख्यमंत्रीक सांग पयलो तो रिपोर्ट डिक्लेअर कर आनी जी गव्हर्नमेंट स्टाफाचेर जी ताणें रिमार्क घातले आहात त्या रिपोर्टान तिका ताबडतोब सस्पेंड करचें म्हणून
आमच्या गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान जें डिसिजन घेतला OST कोमदादचेर लावचें म्हणून जेणे करून ती ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी आहा हेज्या खातीर तेजेर करूंक जायना OST म्हणून.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.